Daughter made the mug?
Yeah, Potheads by Amber, that's a mug for Gideons. She
Okay. Okay.
does mugs for them and they sell them.
And what's in it? Is that?
And that's orchid cactus.
Okay, that's a new one. Does that want to come out of that?
No, it's a cup.
It'll be okay? Okay.
It'll
Ladies and gentlemen, Lucinda is back at Lucinda's garden at Judd's house. Copyright trademark. And she said basically everything's looking pretty good.
Mango.
Except for the mango. The mango's probably dead, but... Huh?
Mango.
Oh, we're doing a comedy now. But she cut that way back and we'll see if anything happens. She's trimmed back my Mexican plants here. And she's weeding and planting other stuff, and I'll let her get to that while I show you what else we did here. We went way down here to this useless plot of land on the side. And I planted, what kind of tree did I plant down here?
Guava tree.
Guava, thank you. Okay, I planted a guava tree. We were looking all over for where to put this, and we finally came up with here. So I planted that all by my lonesome. So that'll grow up nice and big, maybe up to 20 feet, and produce wonderful, delicious fruit. And down here where my bushes never took, we planted, or Lucinda threw some stuff in the ground here. We got some of the Severus snake plants. And then on the ground we got million baby cacti, a million, whatever this thing is. It has every one of those little tips on the leaf is a baby. This thing just makes babies. So she just took a bunch of the leaves and threw them on the ground. We dug up the ground a little bit, and they'll find roots and grow up there or not. And maybe I'll get this filled in with something. Okay, now we'll head down to the lower 40. Admire my beautiful palm tree and my baby pine. And look at this new addition. Whoa, look at that, baby. We just planted that. I dug the hole Lucinda planted, and that is she's got a fancy name for it. I'll ask her when we get back up there. But this is like a real Christmas tree because you got room for ornaments to dangle. And it smells like Christmas. So that could get up to 200 feet tall, which is pretty cool. So I got that in that little notch in the green stuff. So that'll be a nice addition down here. We looked at another couple places in the yard, but we didn't put anything there. So she's spreading out. She's taking over. She's taking over my property, which is fine with me, except she keeps asking me where I want stuff. I don't know where I want stuff. She's got to decide that. She's the gardener, not me. And she doesn't want a Judd pizza. She has the opportunity to have a Judd pizza, and she doesn't want a Judd pizza. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. She did a lot of weeding, too, which is very nice. Oh, I gotta get my gloves. Okay, now here's
the trowel. Is that okay?
Oh, fantastic! She's using my trowel. Okay, look at this now. When you walk up my stairs, boom, 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 boom. Oh my God, what's that? Oh my God, look at that! Oh my God, that's another pothead. And you either know what that is, and you love it, or you don't know what it is, and too bad. But that wanted shade. She wanted that in the shade, partial shade. And I thought that'd be a great place to put it.
It is perfect.
So there you go. So people can come walking up my stairs and go, ah!
Grim grinning ghost.
Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. And happy day to you. Say happy day.
Happy day.
We gotta do a little update. Turns out Lucinda is my hippy dippy gardener. And we've decided where to put an airplane cactus in the corner here, but meanwhile I come over here and she has decided my post needs a better chance with this dragon fruit, so she cut off one and stuck it on
I didn't.
top.
I just picked it up.
I picked it up and stuck it on top there. So
Relocated.
Relocated. So that, we have a hell of a time putting the cross beams on that.
You better do it before it settles in.
Yeah. All right. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna get an airplane cactus back there. We got a bunch of new jade plants down here.
A trowel I could use or something?
See, it grows on you.
Literally.
And just for the record, David, that's my watering dribble jug for my pineapple plant, and I fill that up and let it dribble there for a couple hours, and do that a couple times a day. So, okay, so I'm putting water on the pineapple plant, and Lucinda said the pineapple plant's looking fine. She says everything's looking fine except that stupid thing that's going to die, which shouldn't have been here anyway. It does, yeah, it doesn't like to freeze. It's like me, it doesn't like freezing.
Mine is beautiful.
Now, beautiful is my palm tree down there.
Oh yeah.
That's beautiful. And now
Norfolk Island pine. That's beautiful.
Okay, say that again. What is that?
Norfolk Island pine.
Okay, Norfolk Island pine. See it way down there? It's the different green thing. I don't know if it shows up from this far.
Tropical pine.
But it's a tropical pine. But it's a beautiful pine. It smells good too. Look at that sky. Beautiful sky. Oh. See, now I can put this in the cloud group.
Imagine there's no heaven.
It's easy if you try.
No help below us.
Above us, only sky. Lucinda has left the garden. Happy day to you.
Happy day.